to computers. Networking. Introduction. Networking refers to the interconnection of various devices to share their resources. A network is a group of devices connected with one another. Cable networks, television networks, and telephone networks are examples of networks. A network ties things together. When we create a network of different devices, it is called networking. Computer network. A computer network is a collection of computers and peripheral devices, collectively known as network components, connected by communication links. In order to establish a computer network, we need at least 2 or more than 2 computers and some other devices. These devices are interconnected using a communication medium such as wire. The communication media or links allow the network components to work together. The network components may be located at remote locations or within the same building. Creating a computer network. A network can be of any size. For example, a small network can be created by connecting as few as 2 computers for sharing files. A network can connect millions of computers to exchange information all over the world. The world's largest computer network is the Internet. When you connect your computer to a network using a cable or other communication media, you become a network user, and the computer becomes a workstation on the network. Your workstation has all its usual resources, called local resources, such as a local hard drive and a local printer. Your workstation can also access files stored on a file server and make use of other network resources.
Remember, a file server is a computer connected to the network, which serves or distributes files to the network users. Network resources include disk storage space, printer, and other peripheral devices available.
Network benefits. Many companies and individuals have discovered that there are several benefits of connecting computers together. Network can improve the work by increasing productivity, lowering costs, and much more. Ease of access. The network stores most of the information on a central computer. Storing information on 1 or 2 central computers makes it easy for people to work with and manage their files. A network also allows people to access their information from other computers on the network. Work from home. The network has dedicated computers that allow people to connect to the company's network using a modem. Once users are connected to the network, they can work with any data available on the network. Network makes it easy for people to access office information from home. Share resources. Computers connected to a network can share equipments and devices, including printers and hard drives. These equipments and devices are called resources. The ability to share resources reduces the cost of buying computer hardware. For example, instead of buying a printer for each person on a network, everyone on the network can share one central printer. Share information. You can use a network to exchange information with other people. Information can be in any form of data, such as documents created in a word processing program, or information provided by a school database. Increase productivity. Using computers connected to a network, people exchange information with one another. When employees can easily access and exchange information, they can work more efficiently. For example, network allows people in different offices to work on a project together. Share programs. Most of the people who are connected to a network use a central computer to work with different programs such as word processors and spreadsheets. Network makes installing programs simple because only one copy of a program needs to be installed on a central computer. Administration. Networking makes it easier to monitor and control the entire company's computers. Many companies have a person called the network administrator who oversees all administration for the network. Security. Before accessing information on a network, users must enter a username and password. This ensures that only authorized people can use the information stored on the network. Usernames and passwords allow the network administrator to keep track of everyone who uses the computers on the network. Networks have built-in security programs. These security programs monitor and report any abnormal activity on a computer network to the network administrator. Network security. Trojans, hackers, virus, unknown attacks, HTTP attacks, firewall. Networks can be set up to refuse access to anyone who enters an incorrect password. This discourages unauthorized users from trying to access information on the network. Network hardware. Network hardware includes the physical components that are used to create a network. All computer networks require at least the following network hardware. Computer. The most important job of a network is to link computers together. When computers are linked, the people using the computers can work more efficiently. Computers connected to a network need not be of the same type. Many networks contain different types of computers such as IBM compatible and Macintosh.
Do you know special software are required to make different computers compatible with each other?
Cables. Cables are the wires that connect computers and resources on a network. Different kinds of cables can be used depending on the type and size of the network. The type of a cable used often determines how quickly information transfers through the network. For some networks, several miles of cables may be required. Connectors. A connector is a device that joins two computers or networks together. Network interface card. A network interface card, NIC, is a device that joins a cable to a computer. Most network interface cards are installed inside a computer. The edge of the card can be seen at the back of the computer. A NIC has a port where the network cable plugs in.
Do you know? Nowadays, most of the computers are designed with pre-installed network interface card. Most of the laptops come with the wireless network cards inbuilt.
Types of